We are going to have a run at a fairly niche acoustic guitar solo this afternoon. We're going to play the first acoustic guitar solo in Rod Stewart's I Was Only Joking. Now, we're going to play in B flat major, everybody's favourite key. So, let's kick it off, and we're going to chop it into phrases to make it easy for you. I'm going to play phrase 1. Okay, so we're going to run up through this kind of minor pentatonic situation. That one there, so this is G minor pentatonic, it's the relative minor of B flat major. We start here on B flat, and then our third finger is going to slide to D, and then F, G, B flat. So that's phrase 1. You're going to get this. Then you're going to get 3. Your second finger is going to slide to here, and then first finger. So. So if you chop that first phrase into 3 parts, we've got and then. Okay, phrase 2. We've just finished here. Our first and second fingers are going to go on the 6th and 7th frets of the 2nd and 3rd strings, and we're going to do our sort of first. There's a bit of this going on in this song. This is a semi-quaver triplet, and then we're going to go with our third finger, like that, and then we're going to do a slide, aeroplane sound. Okay, so our little triplety thing. Third finger on 8, slide it, come back to 6, up to 9, back to 8, to 6, and then down to 4. So that's phrase 2. Okay, phrase 3, 4, 6, 7. First, third, fourth fingers. Then we're going to change positions to play this little next bit. So it basically plays and 4 and 1 and 2 and then. So, and then we're going to change. We've got loads of time where we're going to play 6, 7, 6, 8. That's the first one. And then 7, 6, 8, 8. So that those 8 notes, they're all semi-quavers, apart from the last 2 quavers. So we're going to go then. Sorry to call George Benson there. Okay, so see the change position there. So we've just. Now we're in the guts of the sort of first major scale pattern that everybody learns. This. So, now we just literally run up and down. You go 3rd on 7, 4th, 1st, 3rd, 1st, 4th, 3rd. So. And then second finger is going to go here on F, and then back down. So that whole phrase is okay. What was that? Phrase 4. And then we've got phrase 5. So we finished here, and we're going to do a slide. Third finger goes on 5 on the 4th string, G. Then we're going to slide. Okay, so here we go. It gets a bit crazy. So we've got, and then, so this is 10, 11, 13, 13. So, and then we're going to do this really fast. So, if you can, how I go is instead of having my pick normally like I would have it like that, I bring the back of my first finger around and I use more of my wrist to get that quick movement. Olé. Okay, so we've done, so that's 3 to 5, 3, 5, 5, 5 to 7, 6, 6. You can hold that for a little bit, but then you're going to go up. 10, 11, 13, 13, and then we get this lovely thing that does similar to the 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 8, 8 that we did before. It goes. So, and then, so that's 13, 11, 10, 13, and then 11, oh sorry, 11, 10, 13, 11, 11. And then, same here, and then you're going to hit this one. It's a 10 on the G string, and then 2 8s. So that. And then, right, then we're going to play third finger switches onto 8 on the G string, 7, 6, slide, 6, 5, 6. We're almost there, folks. 13, 13, and then 15, 17, 18. And that is it. Yay!